The Philippines has nothing to worry about China's new law, giving its Coast Guard powers to fire at foreign vessels in the South China Sea. In an exclusive interview with the source, Chinese Ambassador Wang Zhilian says many countries have enacted similar laws.
The Coast Guard of China is the administrative law enforcing agency in China. And enacting such a Coast Guard law is very internal kind of activity, legislation activity.
But upon closer scrutiny of the Philippine Coast Guard law, CNN Philippines did not find any similar provision allowing enforcers to fire at any foreign vessel. The Philippine government earlier filed a diplomatic protest against the new Chinese Coast Guard law, and Foreign Affairs Secretary Teddy Boy Locsin has described it as a verbal threat of war, which Ambassador Wang denies.
There are many countries in this world who have already enacted such Coast Guard laws, including many countries in this region. And for such activity, I think that it shouldn't be seen as anything new, such threats.
Some senators expressed their concerns over the new Chinese law. Senator Richard Gordon says it is a creeping threat that can escalate anytime. Senator Francis Tolentino, meanwhile, is worried for Filipino fishermen.
There is no need to worry about the very kind of normal enactment of the law. China Coast Guard will not take any strong measure against any fishermen. Before or after the kind of formulation of this law. Sometimes unnecessary interpretation and reading of such activity, domestic activities of China, is not necessary.
Ambassador Wang says talks for a code of conduct in the South China Sea continues despite issues over the new Chinese Coast Guard law. Pinky Webb, CNN Philippines.